Welcome to Wisdom Nugget 45. Listen and be blessed.
Hallelujah. This is JOEPAPA coming your way with Wisdom Nuggets. Today we shall be looking at what I've captioned Bowels of Compassion. Open up. 1 John chapter 3 verse 17. But whoso hath these words good, and seeth his brother hath need, and shutteth up his bowels of compassion from him, how dwelleth the love of God in him? Every human being has what is called bowels of compassion. Our God is a merciful God, and we are created in his likeness. Be ye therefore merciful, as your Father also is merciful. Luke chapter 6 verse 36. The decision to open your bowels of compassion so compassion can flow from you to others lies with you. So we see those who always open up their bowels of compassion for flow of compassion to others as deemed necessary. Matthew chapter 9 verse 36 says, when Jesus saw the multitude, he was moved with compassion because they fainted and scattered abroad as sheep having no shepherd. God delights in people who show mercy to others. You can show mercy by forgiving those who offend you, by giving to the needy around you, and by getting someone out of any form of predicament. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy from God. God's mercy is very pivotal in the life of an individual. It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because his compassion faileth not. It is not of him who wills or of him who runs, but God who shows mercy. It takes the mercy of God to come out of situations you get into in life by errors and mistakes. It takes the mercy of God to be delivered from wicked and unreasonable men in life. However, the extent to which you open your bowels of compassion to others is the same extent you experience God's compassion in your life. For whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap. James chapter 2 verse 13, reading from the New Living Translation. There will be no mercy for those who have not shown mercy to others. But if you have been merciful, God will be merciful when he judges you. When he shows mercy to others, God also shows mercy to you by pardoning your errors, mistakes, sins, and allow you to go free without receiving the consequences of your actions and inactions in life. In the parable of the unforgiving servant in Matthew chapter 18 verse 23 to 35, the Lord of the servant said to him, shouldest not thou also have had compassion on thy fellow servant, even as I had pity on thee? Bowels of compassion. Open up. May the Lord give you understanding. Remain ever blessed.